Hey everybody, Drew here with SmokeTop Barbecue, and one of the things I love to do at a barbecue competition mid-afternoon is sit back and enjoy a great cocktail. I'm fortunate to have my own restaurant in Arlington, Virginia, where you can try amazing cocktails all the time, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a smoked old fashioned. We're going to start off today with some Bulleit bourbon. All right, really like using Bulleit bourbon in my old fashioned, and we're going to start off with a nice healthy pour of 2 ounces. So 2 ounces of Bulleit bourbon right in the mixing glass. All right. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take some simple syrup. You can make your own simple syrup, but I found it easy sometimes just to buy it when you're out on the road. Simple syrup is just a 1-to-1 sugar to water ratio, just mix up. So we're going to take 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, dump it right in there. Now I'm just going to take some orange bitters, just do a couple dashes of orange bitters right into the cocktail. All right, now I've got all the flavors I want, so I'm just going to go ahead and stir this up real quick. I'm going to put some ice in here, fill it up. I find it's important that you stir your old fashioned. You don't want to shake it, you're not trying to water it down, but you do want to go ahead and get those flavors going. So we're going to take a cocktail spoon in our mixing glass and put it down and just spin it right there. Get all those great flavors going. All mixed up. All right, that's all you got to do. Nice, quick, easy stir. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a cocktail glass. I happen to have these nice ice molds, so I got this really nice big piece of ice right here. It just sits right in the bottom of my glass. And I'm gonna go ahead and strain. My cocktail right on top of that ice, just like so. Get it all out, all in there. Now I'm just gonna take an orange peel. Just use a knife, just go right on the peel. I don't want to get any of the pith. I just want that zest. See how I just got that? Just a very little bit. We're gonna bend it, which shoots out just a little essence of orange. Run it around the outside of my glass, put it in there, and here's what's really gonna make this thing special. We're gonna go ahead and use this SmokeTop device here from Middleton Mixology. We're gonna add just a little bit of cherry wood, some cherry chips right into this little chimney right here. Get it all in there. Now we're gonna light it on fire. It's gonna just shoot those cherry chips as it burns right into the glass. Give it that really great smoke flavor. And I'm just gonna let it sit there for just a second while I just smell the essence of orange coming off. I'm smelling that cherry wood. And at the same time, it's just all that smoke on top is gonna leave a nice layer. Let's see what happens now. I'll tell you what, that looks pretty amazing. And you get the smoke just sitting right on top. You can just smell it. Well, cheers everybody. I hope you enjoy the smoked old fashioned. I know I will. So smooth.